Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing video. Today I'm checking out this KUZOR faucet. This is a matte black faucet. It can be installed on one hole or two hole or three hole sinks. This comes with also a sink stopper. All right. So there is that, and it has just this plastic on top. So we're gonna be doing an install video on this as well. This is pretty nice there. What else is in the box? Okay, so that's pretty heavy duty. Here is the faucet. That's pretty sweet. It comes with this nice little bag there. That's cool. And we already have our water lines attached. But look at that. This one's just going to drain over the top. The water's going to come out and spill down over the spout there. And we have hot and cold on the top. That looks pretty sweet. Actually, I like the nice matte black finish on that. Looks elegant and yet simple. Okay. Set that off to the side. And see what else in the box. Okay, so this is our, since I have a three hole sink, this is going to be down over the top of that, and you can install, if you just have a one hole sink, you're not going to use it. If you have a three hole, this is going to cover the other two holes, so that's what we need. And we have this little tool here for installing, and then we have these tools here, or these parts here. Looks like a couple of washers and stuff. So, and then of course we have our instructions in the box right here. Looks fairly straightforward here on the installation. So I'm looking forward to this. I have another sink faucet I was in there, and it's just kind of not working so hot right now. So I'm going to be showing you how to install this one. Okay, my friends, so for this install, we do have a three hole sink here, but this one, if you do have three holes in your sink, you just use this. This covers over the holes and goes right in there. Okay, I'm just going to leave this little cloth on here while I push my lines down through the hole there. And then this just sits right on top there like that. I guess I can take that off. Just want to make sure that that is centered. Okay, that's looking elegant actually. So now the bottom portion, to attach that, we're going to just screw on our wires here. Not wires, our pipes or hoses in the bottom. All right, this is really difficult to see, so what I'm going to do is screw this up into the faucet. Just like this. So that's going to go around these, how this has it right here. It's going to go around your hoses, and that's going to tighten that down. And we're going to use this to do so. We just keep tightening that down. So that's going to go up underneath there between the two hoses, and we're going to screw that in. All right, that's going to hold our base and everything in place here. So let's do that. So that's, the top one's going to want to fall a little bit. So we just kind of hold our things down a little bit. And just need to find the hole. There we go. All right. So I'm just going to back this down most of the way. Oops. Of course it's going to fall in the water. All right, so screwing that up into the bottom of the faucet. That's good. Might have been able to just do that right away before I put it down in here. All right, now that I have that screwed up into the faucet, now I take my washer or the rubber part, and I'm pushing that up around the wires here for the hoses, and then I take my metal part and I push that up there. And now this last part is we're going to take our screw on there, and while we're holding that, we're going to take our screw and start screwing it up onto there. So I'll try to get the camera in here and show you guys what I'm talking about. Real quick, I'll do that. That's a tough angle, so here we go. So this is the main screw I was talking about first. I screw that in the bottom of the faucet, and then this is going around there, and now I just tighten this up so you can see slowly but surely. That's going to go around. That's going to hold our faucet down there. It just takes a little while to screw this up here. But we're getting there. And before I tighten it down too much, I want to make sure my faucet is centered. And make sure these are where I want it to be as well. Okay, so now before we use this tool here, this tool is going to slide up over that and tighten it down the rest of the way. But before I use that, I want to make sure that I'm where I want to be with this. So let's go back to the outside. Okay, so we can take this off now. And now we just want to center this. Make sure that this is perfectly straight where we want it to be. I think that's looking really good. Ideally, you have someone else up here that's going to help you hold that straight, but we don't have that, so we're just going to tighten it down now. All right, so I'm just going to tighten that down now. Okay, here we go. Check and see how we're doing up there. Okay, it's looking pretty straight still, so I'll just continue. Take a look, just reassessing. Looking pretty good. All right, so that is looking pretty solid there, actually, and looks really clean. Now I want to hook up my cables here, and I'm assuming it's got the hot on the left-hand side and the cold on the right. So I'm going to go, hot is going to be the one coming out of the left-hand side here. And you know your you know which one of these is hot if you can feel your water. Just feel your water pipe here. It should be warm to the touch if it's got hot water in there, and the other one should feel cold. So, and then I just got to figure out how to screw this on there. It should be righty-tighty. So initially, Make sure that's straight on there and not stripping or anything. So here we go. Just try to keep that straight, and then it should go on there nicely. Yeah. There we go. All right, so now I'm just going to gently tighten this down with my wrench here. Doesn't have to be super tight. But it leaking should stop here in a second. This one's just a little bit of a leak from my water line. I need to change the valve in that one too, but right now we're not doing that, so I'm just tightening this down. I didn't feel like turning off the main water main and changing that, so I'm just going to slowly tighten this down until it stops leaking. I figure we're almost there. All right, let's really diminish the water flow now. These don't have to be like super tight. We're just looking for the water to stop dripping there. Still dripping a little bit. That's all right. So this is no problem. Should be stopping here pretty soon, I would think. All right, so now we can hook up our other line here. And I might need to put some plumber's tape around there, actually. See if that's going to hold. So this one screwed in really easily with my hand here. So I don't know, maybe I just need to put a little bit of plumber's tape on there. There we go. So where are we leaking from here? So I want to make sure I don't have any leaks going on. All right, so we're going to install the drain here. And for this, you just want to unscrew this portion. Take that off. And we're going to take this off like that. Now this one's going to go down in the top there. I believe. And before you get it in the top, then this is going to go under there. And also push that up a little bit. That's going to go there. All right. And then that's going to push down into that pipe there. So we can rotate that down into the pipe, as well as just kind of rotate it back and forth as it moves down into that pipe. And then we can start screwing this down. All right. Now just screw this down, and it's going to go right into there. That's pulling it down nicely. There we go. Shouldn't have any issues there. Oops. Take out that plastic part on top there if I can. I have to unloosen it a little bit now. There we go. Come on. There we go. Plastic part comes off. And now we can tighten this down the rest of the way. Okay, make sure that's in there. That's tightened down. Okay, cool. Oops, it stays down. It looks like I'm just going to open up my valves here. Lefty-loosey. Same thing on this side. Open those up. Good. Okay. And now, I think that we are ready to demonstrate. Okay, my friends, so there we have it. Elegant, simplistic. Works really well. I like it. It's the spout's up high enough so the water can come out. The drain, just press that down and it'll fill up the sink, and then press it again. And there you go. It's recommended you let this run for a little bit. Hot water was definitely the one on the left. Yes, it's hot. That was correct. And then one on the right. Super smooth and quiet, and just a nice looking faucet here. Solid. Really simplistic, but really like kind of elegant as well. I like the little hot and cold indicators there, but it just looks really nice. It matches everything else I have in here with the black lighting. Hot water coming out nicely there, and it looks really good. So very excellent. It's very smooth. Also, installation not bad at all. And there we have it. So thanks for watching, my friends. Have a great day, and I'll see you all next time.